This particular project was the construction of a fertilizer plant in Louisiana. Part of Fracht's scope was to deliver different components from its origins around the world to the plant location. The biggest components were actually coming from Shanghai, China, and Fracht moved them from the factory in Shanghai by ocean vessel to New Orleans and from there by barge to its final plant location in Louisiana. Planning a complex project move like this is extremely challenging.
In this case, there was a lot of pre-planning that was required, a lot of meetings, a lot of technical review in order to ensure the successful delivery.
The main challenges we faced in New Orleans were to find the right partners with the proper equipment and the expertise to handle such a heavy piece.
One of the values that we have at Fracht is that we have access to 70 branch offices around the world who can help us to manage complex projects from its origin to the destination.
On top of that, our financial stability helps us to win such projects. We have to sometimes outlay millions of dollars for 90 days. That's part of the agreements and contracts we sign, and having the backing from the head office helps a lot to secure such projects.
At Fracht, we hold ourselves to a very high standard. Our clients expect you as the manager to also understand and be involved in the day-to-day business, and not only until the contract is closed. What made this project special for Fracht and also stand out in the industry was that the largest components were actually 60 meters long, 7 meters in diameter, and had a single gross weight of up to 720 metric ton. A move like this is extremely challenging. To move a cargo of this size, it takes very careful planning. The pieces traveled thousands of miles over the ocean. They were delivered from a factory in Shanghai to the port, loaded on a vessel. But actually the greatest challenge was to roll a combined weight of 1,000 metric tons off a barge over a levee onto the construction site. Fracht's engineering team actually had to create CAD simulations of the customized trailer configuration, which consisted of 2 trailers with turntables. Additionally, Fracht also had to build a customized ramp for the trailer to travel from the barge over the levee and onto the construction site.
We're only as good as our last delivery. Every single time we have to give our best and come up with the best solution and make sure we deliver safely and on time.
My favorite part about working on projects like this is the end result. After you have pre-planned for months, sometimes years, have gone through all the obstacles during execution. Once the deliveries have been made and the customer is happy, that's what I enjoy about projects like this.
You deliver a service to a customer, and in the end, it's a very rewarding experience.
Overall, the delivery was a success. We owe the success to proper planning, great teamwork, and a lot of time and effort spent by the Fracht experts around the world.
I believe at Fracht we are uniquely qualified, based on our team's experience, our diversity, to handle complex heavy lift deliveries from beginning to end.